Hello everybody, thanks walk to the push. Guys, here by South Africa, one thing that we really like to do is om te gaan kampeer. Campeer. No, camping. Yeah. However, very importantly, you need to choose the people that you go camping with very wisely. Okay. Because you don't want to go sit there and then all of a sudden you pull a toadie of a tent and 'n ander ou poke 'n tent pen right deur die dak daarso, dan jy gaan jou eie poef met klippe gooi. Yeah. However, once the caravan is all gepull up together there, or your camping trailer there, or your tent is gepitched, nee, everyone sits around the braai. Okay. Lekker kuier. Make a circle bigger. Make a circle bigger. Wee. Ja, dan kuier ons lekker. Tan 'n choppie die, grill 'n worsie die en sit en just kuier. Okay. So, make a plan. 26 August. Pear Plaas Boskamp. Pooling is only $100 per person and you can camp for $50. Jitte, it's bloody unheard of. That price came out when a bow and arrow was still a secret weapon. So pull yourself towards yourself. The Pear Plaas Boskamp, 26 August, $100 per person and $50 to camp there. Dan kuier julle saam met my. Okay. We will all sit there around a lekker campfire there. We'll have a couple of competitions there. There'll be crazy very spices there. Lekker gesels. We'll have a koue doppie there. And just enjoy the night. Pauline. Pear Plaas Boskamp. Ons gaan kampeer.